Got one. Oh. Ooh, biggest of the day. They're getting bigger. Got him that time. Yep, got him that time. We're in the creek right now, but we're gonna spend most of our time on the bank. I just felt like getting in here, getting my feet wet. But most of this is gonna be bank fishing from the creek, and we're gonna see what we can get into. So let's see. Oh, that felt like a bite for a second. Oh, I got one. Hello. Look at this little bass. Beautiful little guy. Look at that little guy. Beautiful colors. Man, the details on them. There he goes. I do wish I had braid on, but the only reason why I don't is because I don't want to have to deal with retying a leader. Call me lazy. But at least this way, like I did earlier, if I break off, I just gotta retie on a new jig and stuff. I don't have to worry about tying a leader and all that jazz. Ooh, something just hit it. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna sit here for like 15 minutes while I try and catch whatever just decided to smack this thing. Got one. Got one. There we go. There we go. Finally. Heyo. Little itty bitty bluegill. Look at that guy. Oh no, that might be a green sunfish. He's tiny. There he goes. Swimming back. I saw a nice little school of them. Let's see if we can get maybe one or two more in here before we keep moseying along. Got another one. Got another one. Another one. Ooh, this one's slightly bigger. Look at those colors on them, man. They're beautiful. Just some beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. What deep, deep orange, man. Just gorgeous looking fish. Boop. There he went. Another one. They're getting bigger. They are getting bigger. Look at that guy. That's a classic bluegill right there. Beautiful colors. Oof. Look at that. Beautiful fish. They're powerful too. He just swam right back over there. They are so strong. Got one. Ooh, this is a good one. That's a good one. That one's putting up a nice little fight. What is this? Is that a cat? That's a kitty. I wasn't expecting a kitty. I don't want to get all slimy, so we're gonna get our pliers real quick. Here we go. Boom. Took us a minute to find some. Now we found two species in one pool. Let's fix our plastic here real quick. Oh man, so many possibilities out here. Let's see if we can get into something over here. Got one. Oh, he spit it. That was a little largy. Daggum. See if we can get him to come back. Got him that time. Yep, got him that time. What are we? Oh, this is a bluegill. That's not a largie. Let's get this guy free. Woo. Come on. Cute little guy. This is a little candy. These guys are tiny, but they are strong in here, man. They have to constantly fight through this current that's in here. Got another bite. They're stacked up in here. Just gotta be patient. Take my time. Sizing down to a 1/64th ounce from a 1/32nd ounce might have been the ticket because the hook is smaller. So these fish are having an easier time taking a bite. They're following it. Got another one. Yep. Ooh. This one's bigger. Look at the colors on this one. Oh my goodness. What a beauty. Just look at that. Gorgeous. Such a pretty fish. Just look at that. Might be a long ear. I don't know. Identifying is hard. I'll look them up later. But look at those colors. Just what a gorgeous fish. Another one. Oh no. Oh no. Whew. Found a school of them. Found a nice little school. Ah! Ah! Oh, he fell back in. Got one. Oh. Woo! Biggest of the day. Biggest of the day. Oh, that's a largie for sure. Oh, he is fighting so good. Look at this guy. Man. Now that is a creek bass that you want to see. Look at that. Check that guy out. Just such a beauty. I think this is a spot. It's got a little bit of a patchy tongue, but it's hard to tell because I've never caught a spot before. But man, this guy put up a fight in here. We're gonna put him back. And on that last one, we're gonna call it. Everything I use will be linked in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.